Here we have to prove that log x raised to the power n equal to a equal to n log x to the base a. So see here, proof. Let log x to the base a equal to p. So according to definition of log, a raised to the power p is equal to x. Because we have to bring here x raised to the power n, so taking power x raised to the power n both sides. So a raised to the power p raised to the power n equal to x raised to the power n. So implies a raised to the power pn equal to x raised to the power n. Now suppose this one is y, capital Y, and this one is cap x. So it means a raised to the power y, a raised to the power y is equal to capital X. So now according to definition of log, we can write like this: log x to the base a equal to capital Y. So what is capital X? Capital X is x raised to the power n. So here write down log x raised to the power n to the base a equal to capital Y. Capital Y is Pn. So Pn. So it means log x raised to the power n to the base a equal to n times p. What is p? P is log x to the base a. So log x to the base a. So clear here? So log x to the base a equal to p according to definition of log, a raised to the power p equal to x. So here taking n power both sides. So a raised to the power pn, x raised to the power n. We have to prove x raised to the power n here. So a raised to the power y is equal to x. X raised to the power n is capital X. Pn is equal to y. So a raised to the power y equal to x. Now according to definition of log, so see here, log x to the base a equal to y. So here x raised to the power n, so this capital X is x raised to the power n, and a raised to the power y. So here y is capital Y is Pn. Capital Y is Pn. So Pn. So see here, log x raised to the power n to the base a equal to n log x to the base a, because p is your this one. Now I am solving another property number 6. Property number 6. Now I am going to prove log x to the base a raised to the power n equal to 1 by n log x to the base a. See here, proof. Let log x to the base a raised to the power n equal to p. Suppose this a raised to the power n, is capital A. So log x to the base a equal to p. So we can write like this according to definition of log, a raised to the power p equal to x. So what is a? A is a raised to the power n, here p equal to x. It means a raised to the power np is equal to x. Now suppose this one is y, capital Y. This one is capital Y. So according to definition of log, we can write like this: log x to the base a equal to y. What is y? Y is np. So it means log x to the base a equal to n into p. What is p? P is log x to the base a. So see here, we can write like this. Now log x to the base a equal to 1 by n log x to the base a. It implies log x. What is capital A? Capital A is your, see here, capital A. Capital A is a raised to the power n. So a raised to the power n. Here log, you will read like this, log x to the base a raised to the power n equal to 1 by n log x to the base a. This is the formula. See here, let x raised to the power m is equal to p. Let x raised to the power m is equal to p. So this one become log p to the base a raised to the power n. Okay, so we can write like this. Just now here use this formula. So we can write here 1 by n log x to the base a. Just like this one. So here 1 n. So 1 by n log x to the base a. So see here, what is n here? So here 1 by n log, here will be p. Here will be p because here no x. So here p. So 1 by n log, so a base a, and here p, what is p? X raised to the power m. Now 1 by n log x raised to the power m to the base a. Now use these properties. So here power m become m, and this one is already 1 by n. So 1 by n into log x to the base a. So see here, first of all I assume that here x raised to the power m is equal to p. So this one become log p to the base a raised to the power n. I use this formula. So here become 1 by n log p to the base a. Use this formula. Then after here 1 by n log, what is p? P x raised to the power m to the base a. So 1 by n log x raised to the power m to the base a. Now use the properties here, use the formula here, x raised to the power n, x raised to the power n to the base a equal to n log x to the base a. So see here, m log x to the base a, and here 1 by n is already there. So 1 m by n log x to the base a. So this is property number 7. Now we have to prove that log n to the base a equal to log n to the base b into log b to the base a. See here, n by n. So n by n into b by n. B cancel, n by n, you are getting here n by. This formula is called change of base. So see here the proof. Let log n to the base a equal to x. So according to definition of log, a raised to the power x equal to n. Similarly, log n to the base b equal to y. So according to definition of log, so b raised to the power y is equal to n. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Similarly, log b to the base a equal to z, this one. So according to definition, a raised to the power z is equal to b. This is equation number 3. Now see here, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, a raised to the power x equal to b raised to the power y. It implies a raised to the power x. What is b? So b is here, a raised to the power z. So put here a raised to the power z, here y. So a raised to the power x equal to a raised to the power yz. So see here, the base is same, so power will be equal. So x equal to yz. So it implies, what is x? X is log n to the base a. X is this one. So log n to the base a equal to y. Y is your log n to the base b. Log n to the base b into z. What is z? Z is your log. This is your z. This is your z. And this is your y. This is your y. So write here z log b to the base a. This is very important formula, change of base. So log n to the base a, here log n to the base b into log b to the base a. See here, the base is changed. Now if n is equal to a, if you put if n is equal to a, then this one become log a to the base a equal to log n is a, here b into log b to the base a, and we know that here log a to the base a is 1. So this one equal to 1 log a to the base b into log b to the base a. It implies log a to the base b equal to 1 by log b to the base a. This one also you can see here. So see here, let this value is z, log x to the base a equal to z. Then this one become a raised to the power z is equal to x. This one is z, so a to the power z is equal to x. So according to definition of log here a raised to the power z. What is z? Z is log x. Here a raised to the power z, we have to prove that this one is equal to a raised to the power, this one is z. So a raised to the power z is equal to x. So according to definition of log, or we can write direct. Now here this one you can direct put the value of z here. Direct you have to put the value of z. What is z? Z is log So a raised to the power log x to the base a equal to x. Hence proved.